Hello, everybody. I'm back. It's been quite some time since I've actually posted a video on here, and this is the first video I'm doing not on Godot, but on Pygame. And this is a problem that I had that I didn't see too much help for online, and I figured I'd make a video about it. It is how to have multiple transparent layers like in Photoshop where you can overlay something, and how to just get that working and even how to offset them a little bit. And part of the problem that I was encountering was all the tutorials I found were talking about sprites, and my game didn't have any sprites at all, or the project I was working on didn't have any sprites. It was all just drawing shapes. So let's get into it. As normal, here I set up a window, but this time I'm setting up three surfaces, which I just call layer 1, 2, and 3. And then over in main, I'm calling draw and update window. In draw, I draw a red, green, and blue rectangle on each layer. And then on update window, which is called, this is where I actually take this data and put it on the screen. And this bit is important here. On the window, the thing that's actually the screen, you fill it as black. That way you will be able to independently modify the layers and have them change and overlay and have their data separate from the window, and the window is just showing whatever the data of these two layers is every frame. And this order is important too, because it's the order the layers are going to be. You blit the layer onto the window with the parameters of the surface, the position. This position can be used if you want to offset or pan the camera around. And then this is the really important part. Special flags equals pygame.blend.rbg add. And what that's going to do is make it so it overlays the RBG colors. So that way, with it being, for example, black background, they're not going to just all cover each other. And then you have to update the display. And if you run this, you can see that you get all three and they're over each other. They're not being covered. And if I add an offset here, and you could do this in runtime, does that, and there you go. That's how I did it. Hopefully this is helpful to someone. Bye.